Bitcoin give us here a pin bar here exactly as you see it here. Now what is it the view based on that pin bar here? There is one of two guys. That pin bar here either is going to indicate the Bitcoin doesn't got power to push more down, and maybe the bulls they want to push it again to that 105k, and we are going to break that 96k we touched yesterday. That number one scenario. There is second scenario maybe Bitcoin try to give us here like a price action, or the market makers they want to liquidate those stop losses above that 100 moving average before they pushing the huge dump. So that the job of them, they don't want people to make money. So that's my view, guys. By the way, guys, before we continue, want that video to reach to 100 likes if it's possible, and you like our content, make sure to smash the like button and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. So as you see, guys, as I told you here, either the market makers they are going to push the Bitcoin again to liquidate stop losses here. That number one scenario. There is the second scenario. Either from here we are going to come back again to that 105k. So also we are ready for everything here. The only thing now we are in a very stronger zone here, so we need to see how it's going to end up here. Everything remained the same, nothing changed. We still have here that wage like that. We showed it to you yesterday video, and we told you if it's getting broke down here, it's going to be like a peanut like that, and that one is a very bearish sign here. So let's see the coming hours what they are going to tell us. If we add here even the 50 and the 20 moving average here as you see them, that means the 20 moving average here, which is exactly at 91k here, closer to 92k. The 50 is still at 90k. So let's see what's going to happen. We got a lot of stop losses down here and even above here. So also we will see where is that Bitcoin going to go. If we come here and we take it off all those indicators here, and we bring that tool also using every time here in that channel, that one here, that tool here of the channels, we can bring it from that zone here till that one down here like that. And it's going to give us here a lot of things, guys. Let me show it to you. If we bring it from the peak of that one here, that man maybe the Bitcoin going to fall down again to test the middle here, then after that to pump again, because if you're looking at the middle here, how many times it's being respected here, even that one it's possible, guys, that man the Bitcoin is going to come back to test here the top of that channel, which is exactly at 106k. That where is the 200 moving average. That number one scenario. We got another scenario, guys, which is that one here. Not a lot of you they haven't seen that one, but that's our job. If we came here from that low here, that one, and we do it like that, you see it, and we do it like that, guys, as you see it here. You see the top here, how many times it's being touched here, and the low here, how many times it's being touch here. So let's see if that Bitcoin going to come from here to touch the top of that channel here. The top of that channel here is very high, closer to 135k. Even that one is possible. So also we're ready for all scenarios. That's what also we're telling you, because if we're looking at it, also we staying here in a smaller uptrend. If you see it high, and even that low here, it's not lower than the previous low. So let's see what's going to happen in the coming days based on our indicator. What we got, let me show you our indicators here. The MACD it's still here in an uptrend here in the daily, so there is nothing changed. And the most important thing is that indicator of us, that one here, it's still respecting the divergence downtrend, guys. That one here, that one is very important divergence here, you see it. It's still respected, guys, as you see it here. So that one, no matter how long we still below or we still respecting here the divergence, or we staying here in a downtrend, and nothing changed, guys. I think I explained everything to you here in the daily. Now let's going to see it Bitcoin option, what is going to give us for that week. By the way, guys, before we continue, if you want our daily swing trading and long-term investment signals, you can join our VIP Discord via Patreon, of course. The link of our Patreon, you're going to find it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it. You're going to land here. We got 3 tiers. The first one, the VIP member. That one is you're going to get all our cryptocurrency services. The second one is the Elite member. You're going to get the VIP member plus the SP500. And the third one is the Auto Flow. The one here, you're going going to get the VIP member, the elite member, plus the auto flow. The only thing before you join that last one here, you need to text me in my VIP Discord. As you see, that one here is my Discord. You can click at it, it's going to open for you directly in the Discord. Over there, you can text me to explain to you what it's working with and what it doesn't work with. So it's very simple how you can join. Very simple. Click a join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon, there is a video going to show you all the steps. Then you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me here in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down and we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. Here we are, guys. That the last week we told you here 100k and 84k, and as you see it, Bitcoin came till 96k but couldn't pass it. As you see that what else we told you the past week. By the way, the one for Bitcoin option, now let's try to find the levels even for that week. Where is that Bitcoin going to spend all the week? So let's go into that page where we're getting those things. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That the coming week is going to be at 23 of month 1 here. That is going to be the coming Friday. Now we're trying to find in those levels we started as every time. From in the money, then we try to find the levels for pots and the level for calls. So let's doing that together. Here we are, guys. As you see, we found a level here which is exactly at 87k. The number of pots here 469. The number of calls 0. The total volume here $44 million. So that one the first level of us 87k. Now let's find in a level for calls. So let's doing that together. Here we are, guys. We found a level here for calls which is exactly at 99k. The number of pods 0. The number of calls 134 Bitcoin. The total volume here $12 million. So that one the levels of us 87k and 99k. Now let's go into the chart to drawing that two levels together. Here we are, guys. We said here the top level here like that, 99k like that, and we set the down level here like that, 87k. As you see it, that meant them they make it more tight. That one they make it above the 100 moving average, and that one they make it below the 50 moving average. That's meant the view of them. There is a correction going to happen, but will not be that much, and that's what even me what I told you. We are going to fall down to test here the low of that wage here, so that the view, guys, as you see it in front of you. Then we're going to see the coming week, because those days there is not a lot of volume and the market is flat a little bit. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see liquidity heatmap what it's saying today. Here we are, guys, that the liquidity heatmap. The liquidity heatmap here in weekly, we got some stop losses above here, but the majority of the stops are down here. So the market, it can't go to anywhere above or down, but me, I'm still thinking we are going to fall down to that zone here. Then from there, we're going to see what's going to happen, because the market doesn't got volume to dump, guys, as you see it here, but it's dumping slowly, very slow. When we're reaching to smaller time frames, we're going to show you the price actions. You need to look at them.